Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again with CleanGuru. I may have used this expression in an old video, so excuse me if I did, but the line in the movie was, "The dogs can smell fear." I thought it was a cute line. I suggest that people can sense selfish enthusiasm. People can sense selfish enthusiasm. So over time, if you or I are kind of full of ourselves and we're talking all about our company and we're the biggest and here's our building and here's how cool we are and we're really growing and so on, it's one thing to feel proud of that. And that's understandable. I know we did. And I'm sure you do too. But it's so important that we force ourselves to remember it's not about us. It's really about them. And so if they hear us going on and on like that, I think they stop listening because it comes across as kind of selfish enthusiasm. What they really want are fixes to all the pain they're going through. So if we remember that, like they talk about in good marketing, right, is to address their pain, I think that really is true. So if you talk to them and you find out what it is they're struggling with, and say they point out a few things, and a couple of them, you have some good fixes. Like you could tell them, listen, we have a couple real systems that fix that, and I think you might like it. Here's how it works. And in fact, I got somebody you can talk to that's a customer of ours that we really turned it around, and I think you would really like that. If you think about them as a friend and fixing their problems more than just, and like I say, I think this is more when I was younger. Maybe that I'm getting older, I don't care about that as much. I'm not sure that's true, but I hope it is, that we get over that part of it and get more in tune with really just helping more people. And I'm sure that alone would help our businesses grow. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.